Hey YouTube, I'm going to do this Heroes and Prospects Update 50 card base set. You get one autograph and one memorabilia per box. Let's see what we get. I'll just show off the hits and I won't really go through the base. How do you open this thing? There we go. Well, maybe I'll show off the base a bit. Oh, they're all stuck. Oh, maybe I won't show the base. Alright. First, the autograph is... oh, nice. Griffin Reinhart, number 4. Drafted number 4. I believe he's with Toronto, I think? I don't know, I can't remember who drafted him. That's a nice one. And the jersey is some guy named Brody Silk. And it's a boring white jersey. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.